Good morning, dear beloved students and friends. This is Suresh Bhardwaj with some of the words followed by, governed by appropriate prepositions. There are so many words always followed by or governed by prepositions. So let us learn the uses of those words followed by prepositions. Words followed by or governed by prepositions. Appropriate, उचित, appropriate prepositions ये भी है. जैसे for an example, I am fond of music. I am fond of NG. I am fond of shauqeen. Fond governed by of. I am fond of music. I am fond of dancing. Shauqeen. I am fond of music, dancing. This pool. This pool is full of water. Full of water. पानी से भरा हुआ. Full of. Full governed by a preposition of. Full of water. I am now fully free from mukt. Say mukt. Free from. I am now fully free from worries. चिंताओं से मैं मुक्त हूँ. ओके, तो फ्री गवर्न्ड बाय फ्रॉम. फ्री फ्रॉम से अमुक्त या मुक्त. कश्मीर. कश्मीर is famous for shawls. शाल के लिए कश्मीर फेमस है. फेमस फॉर शॉल्स. आई एम ग्रेटफुल टू यू. कृतज्ञ. ग्रेटफुल फॉलोड बाय टू. आई एम ग्रेटफुल टू यू. आपके प्रति मैं कृतज्ञ हूँ. ग्रेटफुल. ओके डियर, नाउ ग्रेटफुल टू यू थोड़ा और अच्छा कर लीजिए. फॉर योर हेल्प. आपकी सहायता के प्रति मैं क्या हूँ? कृतज्ञ हूँ. तो ग्रेटफुल टू फॉर योर हेल्प. ओके डियर, let me use some more words followed by, governed by prepositions. There are so many, but some of them let me use for you to know, to understand. He is guilty. अपराधी. guilty of theft. चोरी. theft. चोरी के अपराध से. तो guilty governed by of. guilty of. She hopes for grand success. शानदार सफलता के लिए वह आशा करती है. hopes for या wishes for. तो governed by for. hopes for. Okay dear, you are invited. You are cordially invited. Cordially, नम्रता पूर्वक. You are cordially invited to a feasting party. Feasting खान पीने वाली feasting party. So here you invited, governed by to. Invited to amantrit, a feasting party. So you are cordially invited to a feasting party. She is much more interested in म्यूजिक. वो म्यूजिक में बहुत ज़्यादा इंटरेस्ट रखती है. तो इंटरेस्टेड गवर्न बाय इन. इंटरेस्टेड इन. ओके. Interested in. Though here you see some words followed by or governed by prepositions. You see their correct uses, appropriate uses. You see. He is jealous. He is jealous. वही इनवियस जो था वैसे ही उसी सेंस में है. जेलस ऑफ या इनवियस, अभी आपने देखा है. इनवियस आर जेलस ऑफ माय नेम एंड फेम. मेरे नाम और प्रसिद्धि से वह ईर्ष्यालु है. तो जेलस गवर्न बाय ऑफ. जेलस ऑफ. जेलस ऑफ. Don't knock at. Don't knock at the door. Knock governed by at. Knock at the door. दरवाजा ने खटखटाओ. तो knock governed by at. Knock at. Please be kind. दयालु बनो. Be kind to the poor. गरीबों के प्रति दयालु बनो. Kind governed by to, followed by to. Kind to the poor. Hard work. कठिन परिश्रम. Hard work is the key. Hard work is a key to success. कठिन परिश्रम. की टू कुंजी टू सक्सेस सफलता की. तो की गवर्न बाय टू. Yes dear, you are learning the uses of words followed by governed by prepositions. Don't laugh. Don't laugh at others. दूसरे पर नहीं हंसो. Laugh governed by at. Okay. क्या करो? Laugh. Laugh with others. Here you see. Laugh governed with by with. Laugh with others. दूसरों को के साथ हंसो. But don't laugh at others. दूसरे पर मत हंसो. दूसरों के साथ हंस लो भाई, दूसरों पर मत हंसो. Here with है तो ह्यूमर हो गया. आयच है तो मीन्स यह शटायर हो गया. ठीक है. Laugh here governed by at. Laugh here governed by with. Laugh with, laugh at. Please listen to me. Listen to me. मेरी सुनो. Listen to me. Listen to your heart. अपने हृदय की सुनो. So listen to. Listen governed by to, followed by to. Okay dear. These are the words followed by prepositions. थोड़ा here you can see. Look. लुक हियर वर्ब है, वर्ड है, रूट वर्ब एट, लुक एट, look down, look up, look after, look after, look for, look for, look into, look into, look down upon, look down upon, look up, look up. In this way here you see from one main verb or base verb you see here a look, okay, followed by, governed by at, down, up, after, for, into, down, upon. So means followed by different prepositions you see here. So following by different prepositions here you can see. So meaning of these means phrase changes. Change. Look at देखना, look down means देखना, look up मतलब राय मशवरा करना, look after देखभाल करना, look for ढूंढना खोजना, look into जांच पड़ताल करना, look down upon नफरत करना. तो ये इसका प्रयोग एक आध दो देख लीजिए. Look at, don't look at evils of others, evils of others, दूसरे की बुराइयों को मत देखो भाई. Look at your own, look at your own evils, अपनी बुराइयों को देखो and उसको सुधारो. And try to look at your own evils and try to remove those, and try लिख दीजिए, and try to remove हटाना, remove those evils. Here look at देखना, look followed by at. Here you have seen so many means prepositions. Okay, the same word, base verb followed by different prepositions changing their meanings. Look up dictionary. Dictionary देखिए. Look up this word in dictionary. Look up dictionary. So look up, look after, look for, look for. She is looking for her lost child in the fair. In the fair, मेला में अपने खोए हुए बच्चे को looking for. So looking here governed by for. Okay dear. Now use learn the uses of these prepositions in your own sentences. Let me use some more words with prepositions followed by preposition governed by prepositions. She is very obedient to her principal. और प्रिंसिपल के प्रति बहुत ही वफादार है. ओबीडियंट गवर्न्ड बाय टू, ओबीडियंट के प्रति वफादार. She takes pride. She takes pride in her beauty. उसके अपने सौंदर्य में बहुत वो घमंड लेती है, रखती है. Pride governed by in. Pride in, or I am proud of. I am proud of being Indian. मुझे भारतीय होने पर बहुत ही गर्व है. Indian. You see here, proud governed by of and pride governed by in. You see, just proud of. I am very pleased. I am very pleased with his. I am very pleased with his right behavior. Right behavior. मैं उसके व्यवहार से, अच्छे व्यवहार से, राइट बिहेवियर से, सही व्यवहार से, very pleased with, pleased governed by with, pleased with, but really very displeased, नाखुश, displeased, really very displeased with his, चलिए, displeased with the rudeness of रमेश. चलिए, मैं उसके व्यवहार से बड़ा खुश हूँ, परंतु रमेश के रूडनेस, रुखापन, रूखे व्यवहार से मैं बड़ा डिस्प्लेस्ड, गवर्न्ड बाय विथ. पकड़िए. Let me use some other prepositions. Okay, governing such words. Words governed by prepositions. We are learning yesterday. Oh, she quarrels. She quarrels. She quarrels with her neighbors. वो अपने पड़ोसियों से quarrels with, quarrel governed by with, quarrels with the nature. Please don't rob of his career. उसके करियर को मत लूटो. Rob governed by of. Please don't rely on, विश्वास करना, rely on the drunkard or insane. किसी पागल पर, पियक्कड़ पर विश्वास, ये rely मत करो. Rely governed by on. So please don't rely on the drunkard or an insane. Okay, dear. Remind him of his promise. उसको उसके वादा का याद धरा दो. तो remind governed by of. Remind of, याद दिलाना. You see here, I search for my lost book. खोई ही बुक को मैं ढूंढता हूँ. Search governed by for. Search for, ढूंढता हूँ, खोजता हूँ. तो she has been suffering. She has been suffering from, suffering के बाद from. She has been suffering from serious illness. गंभीर बीमारी है. तो suffering from serious illness since last Sunday. पिछले संडे से suffering from. तो here you see suffering from. Suffering governed by from, followed by from. you are enjoying, you are learning the words followed by, always followed by prepositions. So here you see so many words now have been used, and rest of some of the words let me use yesterday for you to know, to understand. Yes, dear. Some of other very particular, superior, he is superior to me, and she is inferior to me. Superior, shrestha, bada. Superior governed by two. Inferior governed by two. Chote. She is inferior to me. वो मुझसे छोटे है. And he is superior to me. Superior means superior है to me. Superior, senior, junior. Okay. R is junior to. Okay. Junior to. Renu is a junior to Menu. Junior to followed by two, junior followed by two, and Menu is senior to me. मुझसे senior to. Okay, junior to. Here junior governed by preposition to and senior by to. Here you can see junior, senior, etc. We are sure governed by of. We are sure of our victory. अपने विजय पर मुझे श्योर, मैं सुनिश्चित हूँ. विक्ट्री, the sure governed by of, sure of victory. He is a short of coming. He is a short of fund. Fund का उसके पास short है. Short of fund or funds. Short of funds. He is very sorry. He is very sorry for his misbehavior, for his rudeness. वो अपने rudeness या दुर्व्यवहार के चलते very sorry and followed by for. So sorry for his rudeness. Sorry for his rudeness. I am very tired of. I am very tired of waiting for you. Tired. मैं थक गया. Waiting for. इंतजार करते हो. Here you see tired governed by of and waiting governed by for. So you have seen here in one sentence two words governed by a preposition. First governed by of and this waiting governed by for. You see here just I am trembling. I am trembling I am trembling with fear and fret. Fear and fret. मैं भय से ट्रेम्बलिंग काँप रहा हूँ. तो ट्रेम्बलिंग a word by with trembling or shaking. Trembling or shaking with. Okay, governed by with. In this way, dear, you have seen so many words followed by or governed by prepositions. Okay, dear, wish you all the best and brightest. Thank you.